Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all today? That's good to hear. Who can tell me what was the date yesterday? 25th August 2025. So today is 26th August 2025. In Urdu, we can say 26 August 2025. And the day is Tuesday. In the Islamic calendar, today is Yakam Rabiul Awwal 1447 Hijri and the day is Yawmus Sulasa. Today we are going to learn about something very important but you don't need to learn it, but you can understand it and it is only for your information. Can anyone tell me which part of computer is used to type letter and number? I am waiting. Straight answer. Yes, it's the keyboard. And keyboard is which device? Input device or output device? Input device. We press keys to give instructions to computer. That's why it is called input device. So, anyone knows how the keyboard is invented? No? It's okay. Before computers were invented, people used a machine called typewriter. Typewriter. Are you know about typewriter? This is picture of typewriter. It looks a lot like today's keyboard. पहले जब कंप्यूटर इन्वेंट नहीं हुआ था तब लोग टाइपराइटर यूज़ करते थे कुछ भी टाइप करने के लिए, लेटर लिखने के लिए या कुछ भी स्टोरी टाइप करने के लिए, डायलॉग राइट करने के लिए, कुछ भी टाइप करने के लिए लोग टाइपराइटर यूज़ करते थे. द फर्स्ट टाइपराइटर वॉज मेड इन 1860s. The letters were arranged in a special way called quilting. Look at the keyboard. Can you find Q, W, E, R, T, Y in first row? Q, W, E, R, T, Y. Well done. Excellent observation. This design was made because old typewriters jam if people type too fast. Later, when computers were invented, the same design was used. Today we have many kinds of keyboards. Can you see? This is a wired keyboard because it has cable. With some computers, there is a wireless keyboard without this cable that is connected by Bluetooth or wireless system. And the touch keyboard on mobile phone and tablet you see. On mobile phone you see the keyboard, you touch it. That was touch keyboard. So students, our keyboard is more than 150 years old in history. Isn't that amazing? Clap for yourself. Look at the keyboard. There are different keys. The alphabet keys, as you know, 26 alphabets are. So, these are arranged in this order: Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, Z, X, C, V, B, N, M. These are called alphabet keys. These are used to type letters. For example, I want to type cat. I press C, then A, then T. So, the word is cat. The second type of keys are number keys. Look here, these are the number keys. And also in this first row, there also are keys that are number keys. Are you seeing the longest key on the keyboard? A Asma, touch the longest key. This is the longest key and this is called space bar. Why we use space bar? As the word space bar means, as the word space bar show, it is used to add space between words. As you write two words, Asma, R, then Asma are two words and you want to give space between these two words, you use space bar. Excellent students, clap for yourself. Okay, the next key is enter key. Can you see enter key? It is used to move next line or to give command. Can you see backspace key? Well done, amazing. Well done, amazing. Why we use backspace key? Yes, it is used to erase mistake. So, how many kinds of key we discuss? Number key, alphabet key, backspace, enter key, space bar key. You see any other keys? Exactly. These are called arrows key. Which keys? These are arrows keys. Why use these keys? This is up key, this is down key, this is left key, this is right key. It is used to move upward, it is used to move downward, it is used to move right way, and it is used to move left way. Here is a different keys. These are the some keys that show by F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. These are called function keys. F means function. For example, these keys used to perform different functions. Here is a caps lock. Why we use caps lock? Mostly when we type something, caps lock is used to capitalize any letter. And we can capitalize letter. For example, we want to capitalize A, we press shift, and also A, we press shift, we press A, both press together, so letter will be capitalized. And we can also capitalize the letter, press caps lock and remove your finger, then press A, the letter is capitalized. You can see some keys are double, they only present to help in typing. For example, here is also a shift key, here is also a shift key. Both shift keys do same function. Here is the control button, here is also a control button. Both control button do same function. Also, here is the key, enter key. Also, here is a enter key. Both enter keys work same. As this is the keyboard. You know, keyboard is used to type. And the type material that you enter through keyboards shown on monitor. How it is shown on monitor? This is the cable or connector that is connect with CPU, that is called brain of computer. The CPU is also connected with monitor by a connector like this. So the letters or the words you type from here shown on the monitor screen. Let's play a game. I will say a letter or number. You will quickly find it on the keyboard. Ready? Find the letter B. Great. This is letter B. Find the number 9. This is the 9. Find the enter key. This is the enter key. Find the number 1. This is the number 1. Okay. Now let's form some words. I will say a word and you will press the letter one by one. The word is rectangular. Shall we start? R E C T A N E L E. Words में rectangle. Job. This is how we type word on the keyboard even without a screen. So, this is all about keyboard. Who can tell me what is keyboard? Abdullah, tell me what is keyboard? Correct answer. Well done. Keyboard is a input device and also it is used to give instruction to computer. Right answer. Which key is the longest key? Space bar key. Well done. Which key moves to next line? Enter key. Excellent answer. Which key erase mistake? Perfect. Clap for him. Backspace. So, today we will discuss about what is keyboard, how it is invented, from where it is invented, and how we can type by using the different types of key on the keyboard. So, who can tell me from where the keyboard came? Well played. Keyboard came from typewriter. You all did a wonderful job today. Very good. Excellent participation.